for India.
Breaking news that's coming in right now. Agartala Municipal Corporation results update. The update is BJP has won 49 out of 51 wards so far. The BJP is leading in the other two remaining seats as well. Remember, in Tripura, urban local body elections were held on November 25th. There were 334 seats that went to polls. 112 were won by the BJP uncontested because no other party fielded any candidate. And Agartala Municipal Corporation of the 20 urban local bodies was the most prestigious, and the BJP seems to have had a clean sweep. Results in so far for 49 out of the 51 wards. BJP has won all 49. In the other two as well, it is currently leading. So that's the latest piece of information that's coming in. At the moment, it appears that the TMC has only won one seat out of the 334 seats that went to polls on November 25th as part of the Tripura urban local body polls. My colleague Suryagni Roy is now joining me on this story. Suryagni, it appears to be a clean sweep for the BJP, not just across all other urban local bodies that went to polls in Tripura recently, but as far as Agartala Municipal Corporation is concerned, 51 out of 51 is likely.
Well, absolutely, Paulomi, as you called it, it's a clean sweep for the BJP in the Agartala Municipal Corporation elections. 51 seats went into poll, 49 they have been declared, and in the remaining 2 seats as well, the BJP is leading. And what we are getting a hang of is that the 51 seats will be in BJP's kitty as well, like 49 and plus 2, the ones that are being counted over there, the BJP is leading. Apart from that, 12 other civic bodies went into poll along with the Agartala Municipal Corporation. In all of them, BJP has a massive lead and has won in multiple of them as well. 329 civic seats have been already won by the BJP in the Tripura civic polls so far. The Congress, the CPIM and the Trinamool Congress have won one each. Trinamool Congress ventured into the civic polls just 4 months back, and they have won only one seat so far, and that too at Ambassa municipality. And even in that one, the BJP has had a clean sweep of 12 seats, wherein the total count is of 15. So you can clearly say that not only in Agartala but throughout Tripura, the BJP has turned the left bastion, which it used to be, into a saffron bastion right now. But one very important thing in this entire episode is that the emergence of the Trinamool Congress in the second position and overtaking the left front to fight the BJP at Tripura. Follow me.
Right, so that is, of course, like you pointed out, Suryagni, one of the most interesting developments. Like, the Trinamool is now, in fact, appearing like the primary opposition in the state of Tripura. The left front completely seemingly wiped out, though the CPM has got one seat and the TMC has got one seat, and of course TIPRA has got one seat as well. But as far as BJP is concerned, what you said, Suryagni, it's turning into a saffron bastion for all the noise that was created by the Trinamool ahead of the election. Suryagni, what is the TMC saying right now?
Well, the Trinamool has, just a while back, they had tweeted with, accepting the results. And, however, in the close quarters of the Trinamool Congress, what, they were expecting something on these lines, as they have been alleging that the polls were extremely done under heavy violence and a lot of rigging had done. So it shouldn't come to a surprise if, they slam the way the polls had happened. Now, but one thing that the Trinamool Congress rightly, had wanted was that emergence of the Trinamool Congress from nowhere in a state like Tripura. Just 4 months back, Abhishek Banerjee went at 3 eyes, and right now we can clearly say that in Tripura, Trinamool Congress is the key opposition that will take on the BJP right now when it comes to Tripura. So after Bengal, it is a Trinamool versus BJP in Tripura as well. Follow me.
Okay, so the BJP has virtually swept the urban local body polls in Tripura, but TMC has emerged as the primary opposition, setting the stage for Assembly Election 2023. So Ragini, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details from Tripura. We're slipping into a very short break right now. Stay tuned to India Today. On the other side of this very short break, our special show, Mutual Fund Guide.